Hey, you're with Chris at Car Cave in Aiken, South Carolina. We're not actually at Car Cave. Photographer is on assignment right now, so I'm shooting the cars and figured I'd get out a little bit in video at the same time I was shooting. Our web address is carcaveusa.com. Phone number is 803-262-4742. If you need help with financing, reach out to us. We have a variety of different lenders. We'll give you a referral. What we're looking at is and we're at the Montmorency, South Carolina post office of all places, but beautiful red backdrop for the car, good contrast. A little bit of highway traffic, but I think you can hear me. Used to have a lot more trees here till the hurricane came through, made a good canopy for photos. But back to the car, it is a 2000 Land Rover Defender 90. Has a Td5 engine, so runs really smooth. It's been well taken care of. The body's straight. It had a prior repaint, and we went through it and we actually replaced the rear door. It had a little bit of corrosion starting on the bottom, then replaced all the hinges and the hardware. So they didn't do the hinges when they did the repaint, but the paint work is really good. You can see the spot welds in place. It's Italian sourced, it's straight, it's clean all the way around. But we like doing the hinges just because they'll start to rust if you don't replace them. So they've been replaced, doors aligned. It's pretty much stock ride height. I guess not pretty much, it is stock ride height. You do have some upgrades. You have the front U-hoop with aftermarket lights. It is factory air conditioning. Looks like it was a dealer installed from when it was new. You have a front skid plate, and we did heavy duty steering rods. You can see them tucked behind the skid plate there. You have LED headlight upgrade. With the AC, you do have this little bit deeper grill, so then you can put your cooling fans in there. If you look up front, we're missing 2 plugs right there. They're on order, they're coming in. We didn't want to delay getting it to market until we had those. Let's see, you have mud flaps, side steps, and you have a full interior seating for 7. So plenty of seating capacity. If you see me swatting here, there's some sand gnats. Gotta love South Carolina. It's starting to warm up. Printed off the work that we did. It included doing the clutch hydraulics, oil change, differential fluid. You had transfer case, transmission, rotary oil filter, normal oil filter, the heavy duty steering rods, rear A-frame ball joint, wipers, the hinges, the rear door, USB charging port, which is here, which also has an amp meter on it. So you can see it light up. It's a good old feature. We're going to replace the lower dash finisher, so that sticker is going to disappear. Have that on order too. Your visors are in good shape up here. You do have a sunroof. Somebody left their tilt, an altimeter, the land meter, the pitching and rolling. It's a Sony aftermarket radio. I don't believe it's Bluetooth. I've been driving it and I didn't get Bluetooth connected, but I've been in a hurry when I was driving. CD, FM's been working, speaker's been working. You have upgraded alloy shift knobs here. You can see 209, which is 130. Let's see, you have upgraded, I think this is a faux leather, but it feels pretty soft. Let me get it smells like leather. I'm not guaranteeing that. Some of the product starts to look pretty good, but it's either a really nice grain faux leather. Redid the entire seats. So I do like the pattern. It fits really well with the car. And the stitch, it's not too obnoxious. It's pretty subtle. We can always pull out the middle one, put in a console. If you want us to do anything else to the car, we have a full service shop, so we can modify it, change it, do what you want with it. And the chassis is clean underneath. Like I said, it was sourced out of Italy. The rear cross member here. We don't like to coat them. We like to leave them so you can see what they look like when they come in. You have your rear light guard, steps all the way around, mud flaps. It's riding on a Yokohama Geolander, 265/75/16. They have good tread depth left to them. I don't see any cracking or any advanced aging on them. So roadworthy tire. And you do have a rear hitch back here, the rear step. Like I said, the light guards, this rear door is all new. And on your seats back here, there are seat belts, so all your passengers can be safe. You have your interior panels inside, it's not just bare, and the seatbelt bar behind here, which is good too. It gives a good anchor and placement across for all the seatbelts. Sliding rear windows, and let's go under the hood. I'm trying to beat the rain here too, so. And if you want to see our maintenance rundown, you want to see more records, the spot welds here, you have questions, always reach out and call us. We know Defenders really well, bought and sold tons of them. We have a full shop. We can performance tune it, we can modify it. That's my camera sitting up in here, but everything's tidy. You know, top dash doesn't have any cracks in it. You replace the ashtray to coin tray if you wanted to. We just have the little rubber mats here. Carpets are nice. There's a few stains in it, but it is a 25-year-old carpet. And on the Td5s, it's harder to see. They have a plastic guard, so it's hard to get up there and see your floor pans from underneath. You can't really get it on camera. But when you're buying one of these too, you want to look around here at the bulkhead and check it out. So let's go under the hood and see what we got over here. We have a Td5 motor. That's what we have. There is your VIN plate. And then you have one that's also stamped up here. There it is. You have the corner caps on the bumpers, the front light guards. So yeah, well serviced, well maintained, good running Td5. That's about all I got today. So when you have questions, reach out. You want us to put up on a lift, you want to see some undercarriage photos, you want us to go out and do a driving video, you know, anything of the sort, we will show you what you're asking. Don't mind going through it with you. You have questions and you're new to trying to buy one of these, you're gonna have questions. There's a lot of different motors, transmissions. This has the R380 transmission in it, LT230 transfer box. You also have the painted flares to match. The R380 is pretty quiet compared to the older transmission styles. It's a good setup. The Td5 is a little bit more civilized, I would say. It's a 5-cylinder diesel. We can get power response. It's easier to tune, easier to modify. I guess easier is not the right word. It's modifiable. It's all relative to what work you want to do and put into it. But we have a good performance package we can put together for you and get throttle response. You know, right now it drives great, but we can always get a little bit more out of it. So I said, if you have a question about this Defender or any others, look us up. It's Car Cave USA. Phone number is 785-840-65. Wait, that's the wrong phone number. Rattling off a different one. 803-262-4742. That would be it. So anyway, if you made it this long, you have questions, thanks for sticking in there. And hopefully we see you at our shop or give us a call. My name's Chris.